In this video, I introduce you to 5 of the best AI writing tools available today. I'll walk you through their unique features and provide a step-by-step guide on how to use them, using a consistent prompt across all 5 tools. Let's dive in. First up is Copy AI, a powerful AI platform that offers real-time search capabilities, the ability to create long-form content, and brainstorming assistance. To get started, simply enter your topic or prompt, attach relevant documents, and even request improvements to your prompt. Copy AI provides an outline of the basic components. If you are satisfied, just click Enter and within seconds, it will generate content for you. You can then further edit and enhance the content by interacting with the AI. One standout feature of Copy AI is its speed in content generation. Once you are happy with the result, use the Add to Editor option to make additional adjustments, including adding, deleting, and customizing the content to make it your own. Next, we have Writer, another AI writing platform that can help you create high-quality content in a matter of seconds. After signing up, you'll be greeted by a user-friendly interface. On the left side, select your preferred language, tone, and use case. On the right side, input your topic or prompt. Once highlighted the content, you can choose from various functions like improving, commanding, paraphrasing, expanding, shortening, and more. For instance, selecting Expand will generate content for you. Follow a similar approach to further edit your content, selecting the portion you wish to modify and choosing the appropriate option. You can also check for plagiarism if needed. The platform also provides word counts, character counts, and other functions. Now, let's talk about WriteSonic, another AI content writing platform with a strong focus on SEO optimization. WriteSonic offers a variety of features, including AudioSonic, AI Writer, BotSonic, ChatSonic, PhotoSonic, and more. For this demo, we'll focus on AI Article Writer 5.0. After selecting it, provide information about the topic, keywords, language, and any additional details. WriteSonic will suggest reference articles that you can choose from. If you are using the free version, be mindful of word limits as you are experimenting with the tool. Once confirmed, WriteSonic will begin generating content organized by title, complete with relevant images and keywords. It provides a structured article with subheadings and sections. You can further edit it when you open it in the Sonic editor. Incai is another AI writing platform designed for creating SEO-optimized content. It offers a user-friendly interface that is super easy to navigate. In this example, I select Write and Blog Post. The platform will prompt you to optimize the content for SEO by entering keywords. Or you can choose to start without SEO and modify for SEO later. Enter the title, specify your target audience, and request an outline if needed. Once you are satisfied with the sections and subsections in the outline, click Compose. Incai will begin generating content for each section. You can further edit and enhance it, including adding paragraphs or optimizing it for SEO. Finally, let's explore ChatGPT, one of my personal favorite tools for crafting high-quality content. The great thing about ChatGPT is that it's completely free and incredibly user-friendly. Simply enter your topic and ChatGPT will instantly start generating content. You can expand and adjust the content to meet your specific needs. So there you have it, 5 of the top AI writing tools that can make your writing easier and faster. Thank you for tuning in, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.